If the human body were a car, then protein would be an essential component of the vehicle. This shows that protein plays an extremely important role, as skin, hair, bones, muscles, and nerve cells are all composed of protein. Protein is also a component of many important substances in the body, such as enzymes, hormones, hemoglobin, and antibodies. In addition to growth, development, maintenance, and repair of tissues, protein also provides us with continuous energy. If the body lacks protein, symptoms such as weakness, decreased immunity, hormonal imbalance, mood changes, muscle relaxation, easy fractures, sarcopenia, limb edema, hunger, lack of energy, insomnia, slow wound healing, and problems with hair, nails, and skin can occur. To maintain health, we must try to consume as much high-quality protein as possible in our diet, such as protein from beans, eggs, meat, and dairy products. How can we get enough high-quality protein? High-quality protein must contain all 9 essential amino acids, but essential amino acids cannot be synthesized in the human body and must be obtained from food. Nutritionists strongly recommend OMNI Nutri Shake. 100% pure natural non-GMO plant-based pea protein, with a protein absorption rate of up to 98%. Complete amino acid profile, 14 types, each pack contains over 15 g of high-quality protein. Balanced calcium and magnesium content, each pack contains over 500 mg of calcium and 100 mg of magnesium. Rich in various minerals and vitamins. Added Orafti Synergy 1 patented prebiotic dietary fiber, which helps improve digestive health, control weight, and promote calcium absorption. No added sugars, no cholesterol, no chemicals, gluten-free. Low calorie, low carbohydrate, low fat. Suitable for vegetarians. Suitable for people losing weight, athletes, people with sarcopenia, for a lively breakfast, low-calorie snacks, people lacking protein, the elderly, patients. OMNI Nutri Shake, comprehensive nutrition, a healthy drink, suitable for all ages. Complete nutrition, full of energy, a treasure drink.